did put it down, but you said that
I've never seen one either.
oh, that's the first one.
Yeah, they're 50 cents.
Here pretty soon. If I don't sell that here, I'd say by the end of this season. Yeah.
The guys just said it.
They need to put their business thing on.
Oh, thank you. Oh. All right.
You go to the way.
First up, I got these two Game Boy games. This one is of Miss Pac-Man, and it was in really good condition. I got it for $10. And then I got this Herbie fully loaded Game Boy Advance game. I've never even heard about any Herbie fully loaded game, and I'm a big Herbie fan in general, so this is a must-have. Speaking of Herbie stuff, I found this really cute Herbie fully loaded. I'm not sure what it is. It's just a little set of stuff. So there's like a little, looks like a watch, as well as a little mini pencil with a Herbie pencil topper. And it looks like it's from, I forgot what year it's from. But it's from the year whenever the movie came out, so like in the early 2000s. And it was still in the box, very good condition. I love the wristband right here. Has Herbie on it, so just super cute. I found some CDs and an Xbox game. So this first CD I found is from the band Mushroom Head. And I'm not gonna lie, I haven't really even heard much on this album. I just know that my boyfriend likes it and he has the exact same CD. But I remembered looking at his and I thought that this one was in a lot better condition. So I got it because I wouldn't mind giving it another listen and listening to more songs on it. So yeah, the CD itself is in great condition. The case in general is just super cool. I mean, even if you're not a fan of the music, I think the case itself and the CD just looks really, really cool. This next CD is by Peyruis called Antipop. And again, like what I said before, I haven't really heard any songs on this album. It's just that when I saw Peyruis on the side in the little tub where I was looking at some CDs at a vendor, I was like, oh, I have to get that because you don't really ever find Peyruis stuff out in the wild. And plus the artwork is super cool. The CD itself is also very cool looking. Peyruis has always had some very cool art. And some of the artwork also features some of their past albums on it, too. And then this game I found is an Xbox One game of Assassin's Creed Odyssey. Again, it's not vintage or anything, but I thought I'd include it because I got it for like $6, and I'm an Assassin's Creed collector. As a patch collector, I found this really neat little Nirvana patch to add to my jean jacket collection where I put band patches on it. And last but not least, I found this really cute Alvin plush from the 80s. And he is in excellent condition. And he actually has a pull string that still works. So listen to this. I'll try again.